Welcome back, everybody. We're going to do our usual technical analysis at the end of the day. Today is the day 19th of August. We're going to be pretty quick and fast, either with gold and the technical analysis of Bitcoin, because I'm in a lunch break, dinner break, and I don't have much time. So we're going to see, as usual, we know key levels, maybe with this addition of some previous price sensitivity area, um, to see the reactions of gold at certain previously marked up sensitivity areas. So we started the night overnight with the Asian session with a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows, and then we see the final reaction. We are here at the key level 1781, as you can see, more or less 1781. I think it was around here. It was the night push um, below an important key level. So we see here a level was respected, and then now we have breakdown, retest, and then continuation down with an aggressive bearish impulse. We have a strong reaction here at this level, and from there what we see is sort of ranging, because we have a pullback, we create a higher low, we create an fail to create a higher high. As you can see here, we are reacting at these previous highs on the left, the price sensitivity area that was creating overnight during the Asian session. We are still Asian session, because here is London open, pre-London. We are still in a pure Asian session. We see a reaction, we see a pullback, going even deeper. We see an attempt to create new highs, but we fail, and we stop exactly at this previous high point. We start pullback, again we try, and then we do a deeper pullback, sort of retesting this previous price sensitivity area. We range, and then doing pre-London hours. This is the Eurozone open. This is pre-London hours. We have an order block being created. The bearish trend is broken up here, as you can see, connecting the dots, and we see a very strong bullish upside move out of this order block, which has some reaction at these previous highs, but after we have a clear-cut break and retest above these previous highs, here we have then a push. We create here another block. We create another block here, just below the key level 1781. As you can see, we created it. We have a breakout of this small order block. We make a new high, which is above this previous high, but then we have an immediate strong reaction and rejection. This is where I got my losing trade. Here I entered here, this bullish candle. I didn't hold, even if my stop loss was below here, but we can see we are creating a double top, of course in inside. If I knew I didn't enter, we're creating a double top and then break down. Then we can see that it's choppy. We are not having a clear direction. We fail to make new highs. We have a deeper pullback. Then 10:30 a.m. I don't know if it was the Hong Kong Hong Kong CPI plus 3.7% versus 0.6-ish of the previous. This is something that I assume might also be just a natural action of gold. Not looking for excuses or anything, but we see from here very strong volume coming in and making 100 pips in a few minutes. Yes, we reacted these previous high sensitivity price sensitivity area on the left, but it's not a clear cut price sensitivity area. We have a very strong, then we have some pullback, not breaking below, as you can see, not breaking below these highs, and then continuation up again. Yeah, and then we see another ranging period because we are not creating new very strong highs. We're just ranging, yes, very slowly going up, creating new high, but it's not a clear action. You see how many red candles are inside. We have a deeper pullback. At this time, you can say it's a failure to make new highs. We are at an important price sensitivity area. If you look on the left, the high time frame, so failing to make new highs can always result in a deeper pullback. Then we have a huge reaction. This is New York session. Huge reaction, any price sensitivity area, not even a key level. 1784, I think it was a price sensitivity area on the high time frame, and the price reacted over there. And then we have very high impulsive move, retesting again these previous highs, but we create a higher low. We then again fail to make new high. We have some choppiness, choppy action, but then at the end we managed to make new intraday highs over there, 1792. But then since it's a high, there's no fundamental reasons because the jobless claims and the Philadelphia report survey gave a mixed sentiment of the news. There was no fundamental confirms yet for price to break above and break above even above 1795. So we have a huge reaction, huge rejection. We are almost at New York Stock Exchange open, and we have this aggressive bearish move during New York. This is New York Stock Exchange open. We have a retest of what was the price sensitivity area, 17. I don't want to say 1786, something like that. There was a price sensitivity area on the left. We break it, and then since then we reacted at these previous lows, this price sensitivity area, and now we are chugging back up above 1781 key level, but with no clear direction. Let me just add here positive job labor report, negative field survey. that gives you the idea of a mixed sentiment. Equals mixed sentiment. Perfect. Okay. Pretty short, but we had during Asian session coming to these lows, we reacted, we did a sort of on-the-block consolidation period. During London session, we tried to break above 1781, but we failed until we had some, I don't know if this was the catalyst or what, but we had some volume and very clear uptrend being created, and at this time we had a failure to make new highs. This is a very important 1792, 1795, very important price sensitivity area, and we rejected with very clear higher low, high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then again a very, very, very aggressive move. So as I told you guys, it will be very short. This is it for gold. I'm going to do Bitcoin.